of artists. And of course, dili mahimo nga possible without the owners of this Madeline brand. Ladies and gentlemen, behind sa success and event and fashion show, the owner of the Madeline brand, top selected gentle fabric for your skin. Ladies and gentlemen, atong sugaton sa Sipag Pakpak, Mr. Nobulani Fortiwara and Madeline Fortiwara! Of course, before Ma'am Madeline and Sir will have their speech, we'll say ang istorya. Ladies and gentlemen, ako isang sugatan sa Basipang Pakpak to give us a bouquet, the flower to Ma'am Madeline ang iyang inahan. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a round of applause to Ma'am Leonie! Hear the message of Ma'am Leonie.
Madeline, ako yung inahan. Lapog-lapog sa lupay ng inyong panahon ng tumahan.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, ang inahan ni Ma'am Madeline, Ma'am Leonie. Okay, at this juncture, mga kaigsunan, we will now hear together sa mga ibang-ibang na lupa-lupa na pinakakot na hipon. Ako, sugatan sa Sipag Pakpak, ang message, what will be the message of the owners? Ma'am